Ang low budget ang tournament nyo, wala kayo sa ML. Of course, there is. Pero okay lang. At least meron tayong representative for PH sa ML. Now, kailangan natin i-build is other games. We're conquering Southeast Asia and even the world with our national players on various games. Why would you gatekeep them? Why gatekeep other games? Why not collect all the games, man? Ganun lang yan. If you have a problem with the other game, that's your problem. The others don't. I've been a caster for that game. I've been a caster for M4. Hindi naman ako yung tipong parang, ito lang talaga ang game dapat. No! Collect the games, man. Send as many Filipinos internationally to beat the other regions. Isang game lang. Gusto mo, sport mo lang, basketball? Gusto mo basketball lang sport mo? Ayaw nyo ng sa chess, ng sa badminton, table tennis, football, billiards, ayaw mo? Basketball lang? Lahat kompletuhin nyo na. Same goes for esports. Kompletuhin nyo lahat ng game, supportahan nyo lahat ng game. Basta Pinoy, supportahan. Ganun lang yan.